have nothing in your savings.
Where is the lie? Where is the fucking lie? Listen to this. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Today we're back again with Morray. Morray, big up yourself, bro. Big up your friggin' self, dog. Big up yourself, bro. We're reacting to Nothing No. Nothing No. That is the title of the track. I came across this artist a couple of weeks ago. Listened to this song, reacted to the first one, and just been keeping up. So this is a new track that he dropped. So we're gonna jump into it and see what it's saying. We're breaking down, so we're pausing a lot. If it's not for you, don't leave it in the comment section. Just keep it moving, bro. Don't leave it in the comment section. Just keep it moving. Alright, so let's go over there and see what he's saying, dog. We're breaking down, dog. Let's go. Wait, carry on first.
Tell me I'm wrong if I pack my shit and leave.
I thought that was what he was doing. I thought he was packing up and leaving. Where's he going? Morray, where you going, bro? Where you going, G? Where y'all go? Let's go.
So tired of hearing all the things that you don't need. But I know the only thing you need is me. It's just seconds you too blind to.
Woman problem. The boss have woman trouble. The boss have woman trouble. Same just skyrocket, but them just leave. We all as man go through that phase sometimes. Ladies go through it too. Cause sometimes ladies will be tired of the bullshit what we are feed to them. You see me? So basically he must say, yo, tell me, like basically me tired of your shit now. Me a pack and me a leave. You see me? You tell me all of the things that I need. I don't need it to be doing this. I don't need that. Me not give a fuck. You need me though. That is what the boss is saying. Morray, big up yourself, G.
So many people, they will love to have a spot. Don't wanna hear it, you been fucking up a lot.
Bumbuckler, bam! Yo, this I gonna be one of my favorite tracks. This I gonna be for my playlist. This I gonna be for my playlist, dog. The man says so many people would have loved to have your spot. In Jamaica, we say want it, can't get it, no want it. A cow never know the use. A cow never know the use of them tail until it's gone. You see me? Bumbuckler, listen to that again. Yeah.
Don't wanna hear it, you been fucking up a lot.
You fuck up too much. You too fuck up. Now me fucking off. Fuck out of here with that bullshit. Hey.
Supposed to be solid as a motherfucking rock. I'm on this side because it turns out that you're not.
But what I want to ask you now, my bro? What I want to ask you? Obviously, you never had a lot of shit in our house because you are moving it in a. Is that a Cadillac? I say one box that Cadillac by the back seat. Is that all the shit that you had at our house, bro? Obviously, you probably have your own crib, but yeah, chill with her. You take up your socks, them. Take up your boxer shorts. Take up your couple t-shirts where you have over here and couple Jordan and fuck off. Make you fuck off too. Yo, my G, we like it.
Believe it or not, I had some motherfucking meteor rock. Hop on a dick, make a bust off the clock. Had some questions, suck dick like a thought. She was being deceived.
Whoa! He just step up from first gear. He's in third gear now. Him skip second gear completely, dog. No joke, him skip second gear.
Motherfucking meteor rock. Hop on a dick, make a bust off the clock. Had some questions, suck dick like a thought. She was being deceiving and being misleading. Every name on her phone is a motherfucking guy.
Every name is our phone is a motherfucking guy. Every name in our phone is a guy. Mom is Mark. Dad is David. Sis is Steve. Yeah. Cousin is Carlton. Bitch is lying. She's lying to you, bro. What a wicked girl. You hurt my G feelings. Take off my glass. Hey, girl, you're not trouble, you know. You're in a trouble. You hurt my G feelings, dog.
This shit got so many brothers and mama and daddy must be fucking round the clock.
Bumbleclad. Me just say it. I just said it. Oh, you have so much family member. You must be fucking round the clock. Jeez, I'm a cheer sing. Get up, don't cheer down. Jesus Christ.
Ain't no love in this. I just fuck the bitch. That's what I told myself, but I love the bitch. That's why I cuff the bitch.
Ain't no love in this. I just fuck the bitch. That's how you tell yourself. But deep down inside, you're hurting because you love her. It's not the disrespect in her brother. It's the love where you have for her and the betrayal. That is what she done, bro. She fuck up your head, bro.
Now I'm by myself, it's Marvin Glow. Ain't got time no more. Taking off the while you fool the streets, and I was sad to see how you embrace the block.
See the girl there? Girl look good too in a dog. The girl fuck up your meds, bro. The man they a phone box. The man they might use him phone caller. The man they might use him phone. The man they a phone box. In America, them call it pay phone. The man they a pay phone. I call her. Hey girl, they fuck up my meds. But guess what? Me not kill her, me not kill myself. Me just leave it to time. Karma is a motherfucker. Hey!
Yeah, he can do it like I can. Money was your motivation. Walk the plank for $1,000. Looking foolish, acting clueless like you just don't understand.
Money was our motivation, dog. Because right now, Morray act like a meteorite. So the boss will say, yo, only thing he was in it for was money. You see me? You can't find a next nigga who can do it like me. Just try to know that. And when I say do it like me, I mean overall, in general, not just sex, you know. Overall. You see me? The love when I show you, you use that slap me on my face with it. You're out of order, you're bright.
Thought you was moving like a buff, but was employed by a man. Believe you.
She was moving like a what? Let me get the part there. Hold on, man. Hold on, let me see if I can get everything, man. No, I miss nothing, no, I miss nothing.
You just don't understand. Thought you was moving like a buff, but was employed by a man. Believe you trying to play me.
Can't believe you try to play me after me invest so much time in you. Forget about the money. Me have enough money. Me not about the money. Me not about the things that me give you. Me no mama man. Me not about the things that me give you. Me talking about the time when me invest. Time is money and I can never get it back. That is what you do. You fucked up meds. You fucked up my meds.
But I give her always trying to save these bitches who don't really need the saving. Leave after you have nothing in your saving.
Where is the lie? Where is the fucking lie? Listen to this.
These bitches who don't really need the saving. Leave after you have nothing in your saving.
Bitches will come in your life and see you with 1,000,001 things and take everything. Even she take the 1,000,000 plus the 1 and leave after that because you have nothing more to give her. Guys do it too, you know. But I'm speaking for the guys them. So ladies, speak for yourself. Them girl are wicked, them wicked, them wicked. Them girl are wicked, them wicked, them wicked. Me don't know how them so wicked, why them so wicked, but all me know, say them girl are wicked. Morray, them girl are wicked, bro. Then lick your chip, you ball out, boy. Them ball out.
Wrong if I pack my shit and leave.
Nope.
So tired of hearing all the things that you don't need.
Yep.
But I know the only thing you need is me.
He's confident. The only thing you need is me. But bro, she's toxic. Ladies, I don't want you to think that I'm bashing you, you know. I don't want you to think I'm bashing you in general, you know. I'm reacting to this song. But a lot of what he's saying so far is friggin' facts. It's facts, no joke.
It's just sad 'cause you too blind to see. So many people, they will love to have a spot.
Whoa. So many people would have loved to have your spot. We can't start out of that part there. So many people that love to have your spot, but you take the piss, girl.
Supposed to be solid as a motherfucking rock. I'm only sad because it turns out that you're not.
Yo, this artist is so fucking talented, like, bro. This artist, like, I'm glad I came across your content, bro. I'm glad I came across your song, bro. You're just so talented, like, you can sing, bro. You're just different, fam. Your vibe just different, bro.
Yeah, man, now you're looking for a handout, cause things didn't go your way. I'm the man now, cause you really need a band now, cause your shit cut off today.
He just took from 3rd gear to 6th gear. Where you find 6th gear, brother? Where you miss 4th gear and 5th gear? Where you find 6?
Would it do that? They be paying you to do that thing we did. did every day. But you blew that, but you already knew that. So girl, get out my face.
What on my face? Get out of my face. Huh? Me not hit her no, me not hit her the box, me hit her the box.
Okay.
Get out of my face though. Get out of my face. You're ungrateful. Alright, where's song gone? Where's song gone? Wait, this song gone somewhere. Shit.
I'm only sad because it turns out that you're not.
Hold on, I missed this song a while ago.
Do that thing we did every day. But you blew that, but you already knew that. So girl, get out my face. It's a different time. It's my time to shine.
It's a different time. It's my time to shine. I am concentrating on me. I am doing me right now. You've been a do you. You've been doing you from them time. Now it's my time to do me. What is the problem if I want to do me now? Eh? Just leg off of my shirt tail. Leg off of my shirt. Leg off of my neck. Get off of my back.
Just got the rolling, you not mine. So don't waste your time. Act like you don't know me. That nice guy that you used to like, I no longer know you.
That nice guy that you used to like, I no longer know him. Let me just speak for the ladies for a second. Some men turn ladies into bitches. When I say bitches, I mean them ways. Them ways. You have some beautiful girls out there, looks wise, with some ugly ways. Man turn woman like that. But woman turn man in a savages too. You see me? Yeah. So it's just a healing process. You have to get back to healing. You see?
God is hard. I feel bad for homie. Since you've been away, I've been down and lonely.
Yo, the boss him feels sorry for homie. So basically, I must write this up. The next man will take you up after me. Remember, I'm sorry for him. I'm sorry for him, but I'm glad it's not me.
Since you've been away, it's been only fuck you. Tell me,
like he said to you, his nice ways is gone. His nice ways is finished. It's over. Fuck it.
I'm wrong if I pack my shit and leave. So tired of hearing all the things that you don't need. But I know the only thing you need is me.
What car is that you're driving, bro? What car is that you're driving? He's just on a lonely road. I am hoping that he actually get to a destination, dog.
It's just seconds you too blind to see. So many people they will love to have your spot. Don't wanna hear it, you been fucking up a lot.
Let me just say the full song are gonna be in the description below. I'm breaking down, that's why I'm pausing so much. And I know it is not for a lot of people, but I am pausing cause I'm breaking down.
Supposed to be solid like a motherfucking rock. I'm only sad because it turns out that you're not.
So right now, after this, the only thing what him can do right now is just give himself time to heal. Give himself time to heal. And then move on, and hopefully a queen, an empress will fall into place and drop right in front of him. You know what I mean? Yeah. You see it now, you're crying now. See it now, you're crying now. Like, you turn a good youth into monster. Now you're crying, dog. She's crying. Oh, I thought he had one box. He had more than one box. He had more than one. I thought he had one box. Shit. Big up the artist. Big up the artist. I like the fact say him actually stop at the payphone. Him never use him phone caller. Because you know it's 2021 now. Everybody have a phone. You see me? Everybody have a phone, dog. So the boss have him phone, but him not use it and call her. Him call her from the payphone. The other song is bad. I like the song. I like that song. And a lot of people can relate. Both man and woman can relate. Because sometimes woman get tired of shit. Sometimes woman get tired of shit. Sometimes we get tired of woman shit. But guess what? We can't live with them and we can't live without them. You can't win, dog. You can't win. Morray, big up your fucking self. This is why I'm going to end the track, dog. This is why I'm going to end the video. If you like the video, please leave a like on the video. Full length of the song would be down in the description. And also, guys, please subscribe if you're new around here for more content. Alright? Big up for the self. Peace.